Hi, preschoolers. It's Mrs. Allison, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 13th, and this week we're going to be talking about the weather a little bit, and later we'll be also talking about frogs. I I hope everybody had a nice Easter with their family, and I want to read you a story called What Will the Weather Be Like Today? And the author is Paul Rogers. Just at the moment when night becomes day, when the stars in the sky begin fading away, you can hear all the birds and the animals say, "What will the weather be like today?" Will it be windy? Will it be warm? Will there be snow or a frost or a storm? Be dry, says the lizard, and I won't complain. There's the lizard right there. The frog in the bog says perhaps it will rain. There's the frog. The white cockatoo likes it steamy and hot. There's the cockatoo. The mole doesn't know if it's raining or not. The mole is down in the ground, isn't he? Whatever the weather, I work, says the bee. There's the bee right there. Wet, says the duck, is the weather for me. Here's the duck. Weather? What's that? Says the fish in the sea. The world has awakened. The day has begun. And somewhere it's cloudy, and somewhere there's sun, and somewhere the sun and the rain meet to play and paint a bright rainbow to dress up the day. A beautiful rainbow, because sometimes after it rains we see a rainbow, don't we? How is the weather where you are today? So we're going to go back and look at some of the pictures and talk about some of the words in that story. So here it starts out that all the animals say, "What will the weather be like today?" Will it be windy? And we all know what a windy day is like, don't we? It looks like there's somebody flying a kite. His hat is blowing off because it's so windy. Look at the clothes on the clothesline blowing. Or will it be warm? Oh, I think we're all ready for some warm weather like this, aren't we? Will there be snow? I hope not. I hope we don't have any more snow or a frost. Or a storm. Sometimes in the spring we have thunderstorms, don't we, with lightning, and they can be a little scary. The lizard says be dry, because the lizard lives where it's hot and dry, and he likes it dry. The frog lives in the bog, and he doesn't mind if it rains. A bog is a place that's really wet. There's a lot of water. Sometimes there's cattails growing. So frogs like it when it's wet. The cockatoo, which is a bird, likes it steamy and hot. And steamy is like when somebody takes a shower in the bathroom, and when you get out, the bathroom is all steamy. The mole doesn't know if it's raining or not. Why does the mole not know if it's raining? Yeah, that's right, because he's under the ground. They like to live in tunnels under the ground. Whatever the weather, I work, says the bee. So the bee doesn't care what the weather is. And a duck says, wet is the weather for me. And the fish in the sea, they don't care what the weather is like. It doesn't matter to them. The world has awakened, the day has begun, and somewhere it's cloudy, and somewhere there's sun. And somewhere the sun and the rain meet to play and paint a bright rainbow to dress up the day. So we're going to talk about the weather all week, and I would like you to keep track of what the weather is like at home. So in your notebook, if you have room each day, you could draw a picture of what the weather is like. But if you don't have room in your notebook, you could just do like I did, and I just stapled some pieces of paper together, and I wrote Monday on one, and then I wrote Tuesday. So you would need some help from a grown-up to write those big words, or have them write them for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you can see that, Thursday and Friday. So each day I would like you to try to draw a picture of what the weather is like. So on Monday, maybe it is raining, so we're going to maybe make some raindrops. Or maybe it's sunny and you can draw a big sun. So I would like you to try to do that each day. That would be great if you could do that. And just keep track of the weather, if it's hot or cold, raining, sunny, cloudy, windy. Maybe you could draw a picture of a kite if it's windy. And in your packets that you picked up on Thursday, there were some weather sheets in there. And this one just is a matching one where you match the weather to the correct picture. So we would maybe the umbrella, we would draw a line from the umbrella down here to rainy. Or the sun, the sunny picture, I think maybe the sunglasses would go with that one, wouldn't they? So you draw a line from sunny to sunglasses. So if you get a chance to work on that, great. And also there was one more worksheet in there. It is, what is the weather like today? And then color the pictures. And these pictures might help you to know what to draw each day for the different kinds of weather. So on Monday, if it's sunny, you could draw a sun, and this kind of shows you. Or if it's raining, you could draw a cloud with some raindrops. Or if it's cloudy, just draw a big cloud. Windy, they kind of just made some clouds and then made some swirly lines. Hopefully you won't have to make any snowy pictures. I hope we don't get any snow. But that will be kind of fun to see what kind of weather there is each day, and if it's hot or cold, what kind of clothes you wear. You wear your jacket and your hat and mittens, or you get to play outside without any hat and mittens. So I hope you have fun keeping track of the weather, okay? Have a good day. Bye.